In this 3-minute video, we will show you how to make an avatar like this. Very easy, but not for beginners. We will show you the process highlight. First, we will make the head. Do not delete the cube. We will use it. Create the head until it looks good. This may take several hours to do it. Then, we need a face reference to have our face as texture. And we're done with the head. Now, we make the body. We will split the body into different parts to make rigging easier. But first, go to Preferences, then Add-ons to enable Rigify. This will enable us to create a human armature. Create an armature basic human. Then we start creating the body, arms, and legs. Then we've completed the basic avatar modeling. Creating high-quality body takes several hours. To animate the avatar, go to the keyframe editor. Choose which bone and rotate it as you like, then insert keyframe. Then we move to next keypoint, rotate that bone, then insert keyframe again. Then, we have successfully created a simple animation. The process of making a good quality video takes several hours. But, if you want to make a high quality video, you can record yourself doing random emotes. Then, go to Deepmotion AI to convert yourself into animation. Then, we get the animated rig. We don't need the body model since we have our own. Just replace it with our body. Then, we give more details with better texture and background. To render the avatar with animation, go to Output and adjust everything depending on your builds. Then we go to Render and render animation. The rendering result will show on your File Explorer. And boom, we've made an avatar. Very easy. Here are some links to be good at modeling or animating. Thanks for watching.